what we did was very simple. We built a WordPress theme. So all you have to do is install WordPress, and now you can very easily start building mobile sites for yourself or for your clients, okay? This is how it works. Once you have set up WordPress, you simply click on Install Theme, right? And then you're going to upload the theme. So we're going to find the theme on our desktop. That's where I saved my theme. We're going to use the Sublime theme that we've built, okay? And we're going to install this, and then we're going to activate it. Okay, once you activate it, it's going to ask you for a reg key. And I think I got mine over here. Okay, so let's register this bad boy. Okay, good. All right. Now this is what our mobile theme currently looks like. All right. So let's have a little fun. Remember earlier when we showed the Olive Garden example? That would be extremely hard to program. Even though it's simple and plain and functional, that would be extremely hard for you to build from scratch. Let's create something. Let's model this mobile site we're building now after that example. So the first thing we're going to do is use custom background. All right? And we're going to use their yellow colored background, as ugly as it is. Okay? So you can just click on this and pick the color, or you can paste in if you know the hexadecimal number. And we're going to save this. All right? So we got the background color. We're going to use a header logo. All right? So we're going to check that, and we're going to choose the file. In this case, here it is. And we're going to save changes. And now we got the Olive Garden. Okay, we do not want the navigation menu at the top here, so let's uncheck that and click Save Changes. And now we don't have the nav menu, okay? However, we need to make the background color. We need to fix the background because right now it's blue. Okay, so we can go here and change it like this and find the color, or if we already know the color, then we can just paste in the number of the color there, right? So save and changes. Okay, so now we got something pretty good, right? We got the Olive Garden thing here. All right, what's our next step? All right, let's put some content in here. All right, so let's actually let's go back to Olive Garden here. We're going to make it look as much like this as possible, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to create a new page in WordPress. So I'm just going to click Add New, and we're going to call this the home page. All right. And we're going to hide the home page heading so it doesn't show up. All right? See this little button over here is called Mobile Theme Setup? I'm going to click on that. And the option I have here is Create In-Page Button or Create Accordion. For now, we're going to create a button. I'll show you an accordion later. And we're going to title the navigation. So what's the title of the first Olive Garden? Find a restaurant. Okay, so we could type in something like this. Find a restaurant. And I hardly ever spell restaurant right. And then the URL, I'm just going to put a hashtag there, but later on we can put whatever we want to send them to, whatever page. All right? And then we're just going to click Insert. All right? So if we hit Publish here, and we go back over here and refresh this, we don't see anything. That's simply because we just have to set one more thing. That's it. Under General Settings, we're going to click on Reading, and we're going to change the front page to the new page that we just created, home, right? So we're going to make that the static page and click Save Change. Okay, so now if we refresh this, what do we got here? Find a restaurant. Okay, the problem is this color isn't right. Okay, so we're going to have to change the in-page navigation background color, and we'll make it that same green color. Okay, so we got Find a Restaurant here. Okay. We can add another one, though. So let's just do it again. Click on this button, Create In-Page Button, Title of Navigation. What was that? What was the second one? Our Menu, right? So we can click on Our Menu. We would put the URL in here, whatever the URL would be. Click Insert, update it. And now if we go back here and refresh, Find a Restaurant, Our Menu, and we could keep building that out, right? We'll do one more, okay? Click on this, in-page navigation. Actually, let's make this one an accordion, just so you can see what an accordion looks like. All right, so accordion, we'll do nutritional information, right? Nutrition information. nutrition information. And then in the contents, we can put, eating healthy is smart. This is where I'd put my nutritional information if I had any on hand, okay? And then I'll click insert. And then we'll click update. Refresh this. Oops, I must have broke something. That's what happens when I get fancy. Oh well. But you get the point here. I must have hit the returner or space or something wrong. But I just built this site up here. Now let me refresh that since I updated it. Oops, I thought I updated it. Oh, I see what I did. You see what I did, Will? This is what's good about WordPress, is we can go back to a revision, and we'll go back to an earlier one. I accidentally inserted one of the ones inside of the other one. Okay. So here we go. See where it says home, find a restaurant. Let's get rid of the home. We just hide the page in the heading, click update, and then boom. Now the home doesn't show up. Find a restaurant, right? And we could keep building it on more and more. For example, if we wanted to create a new page here, we could go pages, add new, and then we could say like find restaurant, right? And we could, this is where we'd put in locator, whatever, here, right? And then we could publish this, and then we just take this URL here, right? Copy it, go back, and under URL, where's the hashtag was at, just paste that in there, update this, and now when you click on find a restaurant, it takes you here. Find the restaurant. This is where we put in a locator, whatever here, right? If we wanted to add another accordion, like say we were building this, and we'll do something like this, in page button, title of it, we could say free gift, right? And then we'll put the URL in there later, click insert, click update. So now let's build a squeeze page. Watch this, okay? So I'm going to click add new under pages, and we'll call this one squeeze, right? And this is what I'm going to, or let's just call it free gift, all right? And what I'm going to do in this case, make squeeze page, yes. Now, if you don't have Aweber, you can paste in whatever autoresponder code you want down here, so it supports all autoresponders. If you do have Aweber, then you can select yes and put in the list name, the redirect, if it opens, submit button text, whatever you want. Form image URL, and you can click publish, and now watch this. Go back to the home page. We have our free gift here, okay? We got to put the link to the free gift, which is this URL. Copy this. So we'll put that in our free gift URL. Click update. And now when we click on free gift, boom, squeeze page, free gift, right? And if you wanted to enhance this a little bit, this is where the body copy could go. And then we could bold it, italicize it, underline it, whatever, update it. And we go back here and view this. This is where the body copy would go. First name, email, submit, etc., right? This is how easy it is to build mobile sites now. In less than an hour, you can pretty much create a mobile version of any site and organize the information however you want it.